So how is the iPhone 16 different from the iPhone 16 Pro? Uh, the basic difference is that the iPhone 16 is smaller than the iPhone 16 Pro. The 16 starts at 6.1 inches while the 16 Pro starts at 6.3 inches. Um, the other big difference is in the performance. The 16 is powered by the new A18 processor, which is anyway a jump of 2 generations from the A16 that used to be on the earlier devices, on the iPhone 15. The iPhone 15 Pro, on the other hand, is powered by the A18 Pro, which is because these phones now need a lot more processing power to ensure that the Apple Intelligence stuff happens smoothly. The other interesting difference is the display rate. Now, on the iPhone 16 Pro models, you have 120 Hz refresh rate, which goes with the 120 frames per second video recording that's possible. But on the iPhone 16, you have only 60 Hz refresh rate. The camera systems are also different. The iPhone 16 Pro, for instance, gives you 48 megapixel main camera with a 48 megapixel ultra wide lens and a 12 megapixel telephoto lens with up to 5x optical zoom. In the iPhone 16, for instance, you have a 48 megapixel main camera but only a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and the telephoto is about 2x. Both the phones now, however, support macro, which is very interesting and is very good. The battery life on the Pro obviously is a little bit better. In fact, on both the devices, the battery life is better because the processor has a better power efficiency, as well as the iOS 18's power efficiency is helping it increase the battery life of both the devices. But the Pro obviously gives